ChatGPT has just added a new upgrade called Skills, and it could completely change how many people use AI every day. Most users still open ChatGPT, type a prompt, get an answer, and then repeat the same instructions again and again in future conversations. Skills are designed to eliminate that repetitive work and turn ChatGPT into a much more powerful productivity tool. Think about all the times you've told ChatGPT to write in a certain style, create content using a specific format, follow your company's guidelines, analyze data in a particular way, or generate reports using the same structure. Normally, you have to explain those requirements repeatedly. With Skills, you can save that entire workflow once and let ChatGPT remember exactly how the task should be performed in the future. OpenAI describes Skills as reusable workflows that contain instructions, steps, templates, examples, and resources that ChatGPT can automatically apply whenever they're relevant. The reason this is such a big upgrade is that it moves ChatGPT beyond simple prompting. Instead of constantly telling the AI what to do, you're teaching it how to do a task. Once a skill is created, ChatGPT can recognize when that skill should be used and apply the workflow automatically. This means more consistency, fewer mistakes, and much faster results. Imagine you're a content creator. You could build a YouTube skill that automatically generates titles, descriptions, keywords, timestamps, and social media posts using your preferred style. Every time you provide a video topic, ChatGPT can follow the same process without needing additional instructions. If you're a programmer, you could create coding skills that enforce your preferred coding standards and project structure. If you're running a business, you could build skills for customer support, report generation, marketing campaigns, and sales outreach. What's interesting is that skills are modular. Instead of creating one giant AI assistant that tries to do everything, you can create multiple specialized skills and let ChatGPT use only the ones needed for the task at hand. This keeps workflows organized and makes the AI more efficient. So how do you actually use skills? The basic idea is simple. You create a skill, give it a name and description, then define the workflow you want ChatGPT to follow. You can include instructions, templates, examples, formatting rules, brand guidelines, checklists, or any other information needed to perform the task correctly. Once the skill is saved, ChatGPT can apply those instructions whenever that type of work appears. The real value appears over time. The more repetitive work you do, the more useful skills become. Tasks that previously required several prompts and multiple corrections can often be completed with a single request. Instead of spending your time explaining the process, you spend your time focusing on the result. This upgrade is also a glimpse into where AI is heading. For years, AI has been about conversations. Skills push ChatGPT toward becoming a work platform where knowledge, workflows, and expertise can be packaged, reused, and shared. Rather than simply answering questions, the AI starts acting more like a system that understands how specific jobs should be done. If you've ever felt like you're repeating the same prompts over and over again, Skills may be one of the most important ChatGPT upgrades yet. The people who benefit the most won't necessarily be the ones using better prompts, they'll be the ones building better workflows. And as AI continues to evolve, that ability to transform knowledge into reusable skills could become one of the biggest advantages you can have.